Hello my dear friends, I heartily welcome you all in my channel Oxy MBBS. Friends, today's topic is homologous reproductive organs in male and female. Okay my dear friends, before talking about this, that from which embryogenic structures the male and female reproductive organs are formed, first we should know what is the meaning of homologous organs. So what I am doing, I am taking the O alphabet from the homologous organs. So from this O, it is saying that my origin is same. That is, I have formed from the same structure. For example, let's suppose this is structure A, and this structure A in male forms B, while in female it forms C. So we will say that B and C are homologous organs because they are formed from the same structure. But these two structures may or may not have same functions, but the origin is same. For example, my dear friends, there is a structure called gonadal ridge formed during the embryogenic phase. So from the name, it is clear that gonadal ridge, so there is a projection like structure or ridge like structure, solid structure, and from this solid structure gonads are going to form. So in male, the gonads are the testes, and in the female there are ovaries. So these two structures, testes and ovary, are formed from the same structure, and the name of this embryogenic structure is gonadal ridge. So we will say that testes and ovary are homologous organs. What? Homologous organs. Next to that example we have genital tubercle. This is the embryogenic structure and its name is genital tubercle. Genital tubercle. So name is telling that what? Genital. It is going to form external genitalia. So external genitalia in the male is the penis, not are. Only one penis is there. So external genitalia in male is the penis, and in the female there is clitoris. So we will say that penis and clitoris are homologous organs. Next to that we have example labioscrotal fold. So labioscrotal fold, it is going to form labia majora in female and scrotum in male. Now what about the functions? Let's suppose here we have the testes and ovary. These are two homologous organs. Now testes, function of the testes is to form sperm, and the function of ovary is to form ovum. The ovary is not going to form, is not forming sperm. The ovary is forming different structure, that is ovum. It is not forming sperm. So the functions of testes and ovary are different. One is forming sperm and the second ovary is going to form ovum. So these two structures are differing in functions, but their origin is same, that is from the gonadal ridge. So in this video what we have discussed, what are the homologous organs. Now in the next video we will discuss from which embryogenic structures these different external and internal male and female reproductive organs are formed. So this next video is going to be very important, my dear friends.